Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your iPhone sound up to 200%. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to increase your sound to max, I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you can increase your sound up to 200%. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, after opening your settings, simply you need to scroll it below, and guys, from here you need to find music app. So guys, as you can see here, music app is here. Simply you need to open your app here, and guys, after this you need to scroll it below. So guys, after scrolling down you will find here the option of EQ. As you can see here, simply you need to click on this tab, and guys, from here you need to select your late night. So guys, by selecting this, then guys your audio will be cleared and guys increased as well. And guys, secondly you need to go back, and guys, after this I'll tell you the second step. So guys, second step is that you need to open your settings again, and guys you need to find your music app. So guys, simply you need to scroll it below, and guys you will see here the option of animated art. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys, from here you need to make sure that it is on. So guys, if off of Wi-Fi only selected, then guys you need to select on button, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this you need to do third setting on your iPhone. So guys, simply you need to go back, and guys you need to open your settings again, and guys, after this you need to scroll it below. So guys, from here you need to find uh, accessibility. So guys, as you can see here, simply you need to open your accessibility here, and guys, after this you need to scroll it below. So guys, from here you need to open audio and visual option. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys, from here the first one option, that is headphone accommodations, you need to click on this one, and guys you need to turn on this, and guys, from here you need to select balanced tone, and guys you need to increase up to strong. So guys, after this your sound will be increased up to 200% on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.